Emma, guess what I saw this morning? A huge spider web on our fence!
Oh, was it sparkly? I love when they have little dewdrops on them.
Yeah, it looked like a tiny sparkling net. But Emma, why do spiders even make webs? Do they just like decorating?
No, Jake, I don't think it's decoration. I think, actually, I'm not totally sure either.
Wait, you don't know? I thought you knew everything about bugs.
Not everything, but I remember Mrs. Johnson said something about spiders catching food with it.
Oh, so the web is like a trap?
Yeah, kind of, like when you leave a plate of cookies out and ants show up.
Ha, except the spider's cookies are flies and bugs.
Exactly. The bugs fly around and get stuck in the sticky part of the web.
Wait, sticky part? Is the whole web sticky?
Actually, no, I don't think so. Some parts are sticky and some parts aren't.
Then how does the spider walk on it without getting stuck itself?
That's a good question. Maybe it tiptoes really carefully?
Oh, or maybe its feet are special somehow? Like how ducks have special feet for swimming?
That actually makes a lot of sense, Jake. Spiders probably have something special going on with their legs.
See? I do know some things you don't.
Okay, you win this one. But wait, did you know spider silk is super duper strong?
Strong? It looks so thin and delicate though.
I know, right? My dad said spider silk is stronger than the same amount of steel.
No way! Stronger than steel? That's so weird but so cool.
I couldn't believe it either when I first heard it.
Emma, we should look for more spider webs after school and count how many bugs got stuck.
Deal. And maybe we'll spot one with really fancy patterns too.
Now, let's explain the meaning of some of the words you heard. Web. A special sticky net that spiders make to catch bugs. Kind of like a fishing net, but way smaller and way stickier. Trap. Something that catches you without you expecting it. Like when you think there's one cookie left in the jar, but really it's empty and you got tricked. Sticky. When something holds on to your fingers and doesn't want to let go. Like honey, tape, or melted marshmallows. Silk. A super soft and smooth thread. Kind of like the string on a kite. But spiders make theirs right out of their own bodies. How cool is that? Steel. A very strong, hard metal used to build things like bridges and cars. So strong, you'd think nothing could ever beat it. Except maybe spider silk. Tiptoes. Walking very softly and carefully on the tips of your toes, like when you're sneaking to grab a cookie without waking anyone up. Patterns. A design that repeats or looks special, like the stripes on a zebra or the swirls on a candy cane.